Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick public announcement. The Sauce Doctor is officially here. It's been out for about 2 weeks now, and you have seen so many wonderful reviews. I'm telling you, this has really made my entire year. I've worked so hard on this sauce. As you all know, I've had my restaurant, and I've had this sauce as a staple in my restaurant for so many dishes like jerk chicken wings, jerk chicken, jerk pork, salmon, shrimp, all of those wonderful meals. This has been the signature sauce of Wagwan Diner. Now, Wagwan Diner is no longer anymore as of right now, but of course in the future, Wagwan Diner will come back. All right, so we want to get the sauce on the map, all right? So we have Sauce Doctor, which is a Jamaican jerk sauce. Now we're developing this whole brand into Sauce Doctor. That's going to be the main focus of it. And how we came about with the name Sauce Doctor is because here on my YouTube journey, I've always created such amazing sauces, and we have been mixing everything together. So Mr. Mia the Sauce Doctor, you understand? So I thought the name was so fitting, and of course we had to put the little Jamaican patois in there with the doctor, you understand? So this is an amazing sauce. It's good on everything from vegetarian dishes to the meatitarian dishes. That's not even a word, right? But I just want to say Sauce Doctor is officially here, and this 32-ounce came about when Anshella from Promo STK said the 16-ounce not big enough for her. You understand? She want a gallon. And if somebody tell you have to try their sauce for one time so they want a gallon, you know it's good. So this is a limited time 32-ounce jar. Normally we have the 16-ounce, so I've only had 16-ounce label, so it will still show a 16-ounce label, but it's 32 ounces. The 16 ounce is $20 plus shipping and handling, so you can DM me on Instagram and I'll give you more details on that. And then we have the 32 ounce, which we're selling for $35. Now currently I only have 3 of these left because I've only made them for a select few people. So we have 3 32 ounce, so once it's gone, it won't come back until next week because we're going to be doing a Black Friday sale. We'll only have 18 of these and we'll be selling them at a discounted price. All right, so stay tuned. All right, this is our packaging. We just wanted something simple, but it's still going to give it that unwrapping, unboxing feeling. You understand me? So we have a ribbon tie around it, clear plastic bag, tissue paper, which is yellow, and then we have a black and gold sticker that says thank you for supporting my small business, because on the notes I want to really appreciate it. Okay, whether on the buy or on the don't buy, on the share me out, everything is appreciated. And a lot of people can tell you that Sauce Doctor is so versatile. A lot of people ask if it's a butter sauce. No, it's not. But the way how this sauce set up is that you can make it into anything you want. Now, if you want to see somebody make a jerk butter sauce with this recipe, go ahead and check out Eat Spicy with Tea. Should do it. We have so many amazing reviews out there. I'm going to try and link some of them down below. Shout out to Waxing with Danisha. Girl, you come through and you bring a lot of people over here to come buy the Sauce Doctor, and I truly appreciate it. You don't know me from nowhere now, and you come through and you order your buckles, and you make sure so you tell somebody about it. So that means that you never have to with a review because you don't know me, right? But guys, I just want to say thank you to everyone who have supported so far. The list is so long that I can't remember everybody. But shout out to each and every one of you. I've been enjoying the unboxings. I've been enjoying everybody creating amazing recipes with this. And I just want to say thank you. And it's now available. The website is not up yet, so we're only taking payments through Cash App or PayPal. So just DM me on Instagram at Sauce Doctor, which is SAUCEDCKTA. Look, on the seat there. Anything right up on the sauce bottle, that's where I'm at on Instagram. Or you can DM me at Adrian Cooking and Food Review on Instagram, and I'll give you further details. So guys, I want to say thank you so much. And my brother is in the process of writing me a song. Me I wait for him, but me I give him a little piece, and me I go sing it doing what him say? Sauce Doctor, it everybody want ask for. It a preach to the people them like pasta. It nice for anything authentic. Me not give you no more. When you just tune in and wait for the song, because Sauce Doctor is officially here, and it's going favorite easily be your favorite all-purpose sauce. Me not lie. I don't believe that. Chrissy always said me not lie. Shout out to Eat, Cook and Live It Up. Smile, me not lie. Now, she have tried this sauce months now. And if you go back and see that review, you probably thought she was faking it, but me not lie, she know what she talking about. So I'm gonna link that video down below too, and waxing with Danisha and a couple more people. So guys, stick around because we don't want to see more. Understand me? See you guys, love you all. See you in the next one.